Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Let me tell
Subscribe to this channel
people that were consumed
and
by
press
this election.
like.
Obi is the
Subscribe,
hero
you'll
of
be
this
able to
election.
get notifications
Obi
each
is the
time we
only
post.
candidate without
Okay?
a pattern.
We love you guys.
All of us politicians took Obi for granted. We became a scavenger. Took everybody, everywhere by storm. Retired politicians. Most of PDP politicians are retired.
And in our history as a nation, conducting elections or participating in elections of this nature, this is novel. And how healthy is this?
This is perfect. Listen to this analysis. President Muhammadu Buhari won in Daura, in what is the state now?
Polling unit.
In his state,
in Katsina State.
Katsina State.
He won, but
he won,
in the overall.
I'm coming.
Okay.
He didn't win.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to clarify.
In 2019, got 1.2 million votes difference. PDP got about 100 and something. Today, PDP APC defeated Buhari, his governor, in his state. What process brought that? Transparent process. It shows that Buhari never muzzled anybody. It shows they allowed the process to run its course. My brother, my sister, listen very carefully. Don't follow these politicians with emotion. Obi, I am going to tell him today and his party, run away from PDP. Run away like the speed of light. Maybe PDP didn't realize that the momentum is about Obi. It's not about PDP. And Obi himself should not stay himself. He should run away from. I saw them. His party
is already having meetings.
Having meetings. Why did they not hold that? To have that meeting when Obi was leaving. Obi was the only person from Anambra that brought 94.4% of the vote to Atiku in 2019. You left a man like that to go.
Was it Obi that did it or the...
I said the party left Obi to go. What is the relationship of PDP and Obi today? Tell me. Obi himself can't do anything. Obedience has taken over Nigeria and taken over Obi. The process must be concluded, must be allowed to run its course. In 2019, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar contested this election, knows the due process to follow. President Buhari has no power to halt this process. He has no powers within the constitution. Will he be the president and still be the umpire? His party is contesting election. Those telling him to go and try that, he dares not.
All right.